So, good morning, students. Today in this lesson, we are going to learn about solution of equations. How to solve the equations by trial and error method. By trial and error method. First of all, what is solution of equation? Children, solution of an equation is the value of the variable for which LHS and RHS are equal. And the solution is also called as root of the equation. As root of the equation. So, for example, if we consider an example, 2m equal to 10, 2m equal to 10, comma, 5x plus 1 equal to 9 plus 2y, etc. So here the m is variable, here x is variable and y is variable. So what are LHS and RHS? So my dear children, LHS RHS means, very straight example I will give you. LHS means here the value of expression to the left of the sign, to the left of the equal sign is called LHS, and right of the equal sign is called RHS. So for example here LHS equal to 2m and RHS equal to 10, and here LHS equal to 5x plus 1 and RHS equal to 9 plus 2y. 9 plus 2y. So by this we can easily understand the value of expression to the left of the equal sign is taken as LHS, and the value of expression to the right of the equal sign is taken as RHS. So in the above equation, LHS equal to 2m and RHS equal to 10, and in this example LHS equal to 5x plus 1 and RHS equal to 9 plus 2y. So these are the simple equations. And once again, see children, how to solve the equations by trial and error method. So here for example, solve the following equation by trial and error method. For example, first example I am taking x plus 3 equal to 5. X plus 3 equal to 5. So first substituting value, here you can make a box, substituting value, here variable x, so x, and value of LHS, that is x plus 3, and value of RHS, that is 5, whether LHS is equal to, or whether LHS and RHS are equal. LHS and RHS are equal. So here you can take, for example, it is a trial and error method. Let x is equal to 1. So 1 plus 3 equal to 4. Here 5. So not equal. Not equal. For example, x is equal to 2. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Okay. This is equal to 1 plus 3 equal to 4. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So here 5. So equal. Okay. So here from the above table, x is equal to is both, for x is equal to both LHS and RHS are equal. So therefore for x is equal to, therefore x is equal to is the solution of the equation. Solution of the equation. Okay. That's the solution of the equation. So like that you have to solve the equation by trial and error method. So one more example you can take, children. Example, say one more example. 6n equal to 30. 6n equal to 30. So this is also trial and error method you have to solve. First write value of n, value of LHS, that is 6n, and value of RHS, that is 30, and simple is LHS equal to RHS. Is LHS equal to RHS. From n equal to 1, 6 into 1 equal to 6, so 30, so not equal, you can say not equal. 2, 6 into 2 equal to 12, and here 30, same, not equal. And 3, 6 into 3 equal to 18, 30, not equal. Next 4, 6 into 4 equal to 24, 30, not equal. And 5, 6 into 5 equal to 30, and this also 30. So then it is equal. Is it equal? So by this, what you can understand from the table? From the table, what you can understand? Okay. Therefore, n equal to 5 is the solution of the equation. Solution of the equation. Solution of the equation. Okay, children. So like that you can solve the equation by trial and error method. So now I will give you some questions. Some questions I will give you. Okay. Solve the following. Solve the following by trial and error method. By trial and error method. First one, 5y equal to 15. Second one, a minus 2 equal to 6. And third one, 3z equal to 27. So these are the sums you can solve by trial and error method in your classwork. And also one more bit I will give you. Write LHS and RHS of the following. Of the following. So first one, x minus 5 equal to 6. Number 2, 4y equal to 12. Number 3, 2z plus 3 equal to 4z plus 3 equal to 8. Number 4 is equal to x minus 2. 4 equal to x minus 2. So for this you can write down LHS and RHS in your classwork. And also from 9.3 first bit. From 9.3 first bit also you can do in your classwork, that is state which of the following are equations and which of the following are not equations. In 9.3 first bit you can do yourself in classwork. In the remaining sums which I given here you can do in your classwork. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.